So today is a connector change to the IC5 and to the TRX connectors for the Traxxas rigs. So I can, because I have mostly Traxxas vehicles, I can use Traxxas, these batteries here, for Arrma, the Creighton, other Creightons, shredder, you know, my buggy that needs a battery and all that kind of jazz. So I'm going to change everything over to here. What I've done is I just took a basic solder iron from Weller, you know, and just took the other connector off and put the TRX connector in here. Might not be a good joint, but it does work just fine after, you know, it counts up and everything. It does work just great, but I gotta go get the body for it and we'll do a test run on it. So there's that. Probably be a next post next week.